two balls A and B, A having mass 6 kg and B having mass 8 kg, moving with velocities 5.5 meter per second in the positive x direction A, and B is moving in the negative x direction with 4 meter per second velocity. The question is, after colliding, they stick together. Then what is the velocity after the collision? So that is our first question. So if the balls stick together, it is a completely inelastic collision. So we cannot apply law of conservation of energy, but momentum is still conserved. So we can apply conservation of momentum. That is, we can write momentum before collision is equal to momentum after collision. This ma into va plus mb into vb is equal to final, the mass, both the masses stick together. So the final mass will be ma plus mb into v. We have to find this v. So v equal to, rearranging this, ma into va plus mb into vb by ma plus mb, which is equal to 6 into 5.5, and this 4 will be treated as minus 4 meter per second because it is the opposite direction since velocity is a vector. So minus 8 into the 4. The minus sign belongs to the 4 divided by total mass is 6 plus 8, which is 14, which is equal to 7.1 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter per second. Now the second case, which is completely elastic collision. So we have to find the final velocities of the balls. So we can derive the expressions Vb prime using law of conservation of energy and law of conservation of momentum. Both the conservation laws state that the total energy or total momentum before collision is equal to total momentum or total energy after collision. So from that, we can arrive at Vb prime equal to Va into 2Ma plus Vb into Mp minus Ma all divided by Ma plus Mb. We already know all the quantities and we can substitute it to obtain the velocity as 4.1 meter per second. Similarly, the expression for Va prime from conservation laws is equal to Va into Ma minus Mb plus Vb into 2 times Mb all divided by Ma plus Mb. We know the values and substituting it will get minus 5.81 meter per second. And the next case is the 6 kilogram object is at rest after collision. That is, our object A, Va is Va prime is equal to 0. Then using law of conservation of momentum, we can write Vb prime is equal to Ma Va plus Mb Vb all divided by Mb, which is equal to 0.13 meter per second. And our next part is the particle Vb at rest. It is Vb prime equal to 0. Then we have to find velocity of a particle A after collision, which is equal to ma va plus mp vb divided by ma, which is equal 0.17 meter per second. And we have one more part, that is the 6 kilogram object has a velocity 4 meter per second in the minus x direction, that is va prime equals minus 4 meter per second. We have to consider the direction of velocity also. That is why we have a negative sign here. So from the conservation of momentum, we can write Vb prime equal to Ma Va plus Mb Vb, and we have a minus here since the velocity of the other ball is not zero. So Ma Va prime all divided by Mb, which will give us a velocity equal to 3.1 meter per second. This is our required answer.